In today's video tutorial, I will show you how to crochet simple motif in Bruche lace technique. For work, you need a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. Begin the work by making a chain of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 chains are for the chain space, and 4 of them are for the lace. 4 double crochet. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and double crochet into the 6th chain stitch away from the hook. Two, three, and 4. This is the first row. We have done 4 double crochet. This is for lace. I'm going to make 5 chain space on this side and 17 chain space. Make a chain of 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. I have done 17 chains. Turn the work. Four double crochet in a row. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have done 4 double crochet. Chain of 5 for the chain space. Turn the work and repeat 4 double crochet in a row. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Chain of 17. Turn the work and 4 double crochet in a row as we did in the previous row. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have done some rows. You should crochet in the same way till you will get on this side 15 chain spaces on this side. In total it should be 14 chain spaces on this side. I have done the lace. I have done 14 chain spaces made of 17 chains and 15 chain spaces made of 5 chains. Let's make the motif. Chain of 8. As you can see, there is 17 chain spaces on the left side. Let's make the chain of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we need to join all long chain spaces together. Let's do it. Insert the hook into the next chain space and take the working yarn, pull it through. Then insert the hook into the next chain space, take the working yarn, pull it through. Insert the hook into the next chain space, pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the next chain space, pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the next chain space, pull up a loop. So continue working in this way till the end of this row. Here what do we have? I have 15 loops on the hook. First one is the chain after 8 chains, and other 14 are for joining. Then yarn over the hook and pull through all loops on the hook. Chain of 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn the work. 4 double crochet in a row. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The work is finished. I have already cut off the yarn. Here what we have. This is back side of the motif, and let's take a look at the front side. To complete this motif, we need to sew beginning and the end of the motif. Take yarn through the needle. With the needle, go through the stitches. With the needle, go through the stitch on the one side and go through the stitch to another side. With the needle, go through the stitches. And let's complete the work. The motif is ready. We just need to remove all yarns. Today we have learned how to crochet beautiful simple motif in Bruche lace technique. This is front side, and let's take a look at the back side. For more video tutorials, please visit our website sharerknitting.com. Thanks for watching. We are pleased to inform you that we have opened membership service on our website. Membership includes an access to the video tutorials which are published every week, only at sharonknitting.com and only for members. For more detailed information, please visit the membership page at sharonknitting.com. Thanks for watching.